As part of Dydd Miwsig Cymru, which is on the 9th of February, we've created some amazing playlists which explore the breadth of fantastic music in the Welsh language. I'm going to start with my favourite track from Gwenw called Perchenog. Wow, what an amazing track. It makes me feel like I've had too much sugar and I've been left alone in a deserted fairground at night time. Very mysterious and spooky. The next track I've chosen is from the acoustic playlist. It's from Georgia Ruth and called Cody Angor. Mae'n cwrs ni am cefnfor, mae heilwen am San Salvador. That track really brings to mind nature and the outstanding beauty of the wonderful Welsh countryside. Staying on the acoustic theme, my final track is from Nain Bach. Wow. Every time I hear Nain Bach, I really feel like I'm listening to something new all over again. Your ears sort of tunes in to different parts, and what they do when they blend them all together is just, wow, they're like no one else. Well, hopefully you've been inspired by some of those selections. All those songs, plus many more, can be found on the playlists online, and of course, in all good record shops.